Hello everyone and welcome to Eclasses, Azure Fabric Data Engineering Training and Placement Program. We are excited to announce our upcoming new batch designed for aspiring data engineers, working professionals and freshers who want to build a successful career in cloud and data technologies. In this program, you will learn Azure Data Engineering, Microsoft Fabric, PySpark, SQL, data warehousing, Power BI, real-time projects, interview preparation, resume building, and placement assistance. The training will be conducted by Ram Boyapati, an industry expert with more than 15 years of real-time experience in data engineering, cloud technologies, and corporate training. We are also conducting a live demo session tomorrow. Date: 16th May 2026. Time: 10 a.m. IST. Join the session using the Zoom link shared below. In this demo session, you will understand the complete course structure, project architecture, industry use cases, certification guidance, career opportunities, and placement support process. If you're planning to build your career in Azure Data Engineering or Microsoft Fabric, this is a great opportunity to start your journey with expert guidance and practical learning. Join our community for regular updates, learning resources, and job notifications. We look forward to seeing you in the live session. Thank you. Team Eclasses. Start your data engineering journey today with Eclasses and build your future in cloud technologies.